Hello everyone, my name is Ida Arvasal, and today we'll be making a fun recipe called water with a twist. Utensils needed for this recipe will include a juicer, a knife, and a cutting board, like my mini one over here, and a pitcher to put the ingredients in. Ingredients will include water, of course. You could also go with sparkling water if you prefer, and vegetables and fruits from your choice. Today I went with pineapples, some berries over here, strawberries, blueberries and raspberries, lime, and cucumber. First things first, all my vegetables and fruits are already washed, and as well as my hands, so cleanliness is key. We're going to start by slicing some of the strawberries, and we're just going to be putting everything into the pitcher. With this recipe, you'll be able to stay hydrated, especially in the summer heat, and it's just another way to get more nutrients into your body. I'll also be taking the lime and squeezing a little bit just to add a little more flavor. And I have some ice over here to add to make it a little cooler for the summer heat. Add your waters. And we are done. And here you have one more way to stay hydrated this summer. You could also eat the fruits at the end or just add it while you're drinking.